Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number B9714P. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The Cherokee seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Speaking of storage, additional storage space underneath the front passenger seat, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, power moonroof and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates are an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.